This is a brief synopsis of the World System Solutions organizational process, mission to start with the mission and vision. We intend to unite, mobilize, and align humanity in the common purpose of resolving climate change and in the generation of a sustainable global future for all of humanity equally. We're creating the social movement engine and an advanced, consciously and lovingly architected social, organizational, and governmental institution collaboration platform, a place for everyone to work together, to generate solutions, and to deliver those solutions to the world. We choose to accomplish this via a collaborative infrastructure we call the social movement engine, through collaborative facilitation, all the folks that have been so kind and caring in their process of generating new ways of collaborating consciously, and through shared transformational education. We are apolitical and non-competitive. We want to help connect, align, and strategically orchestrate existing stakeholders, resources, organizations of all kinds, and to foster and incubate social movements to effectively meet climate change challenges. We feel that unity, alignment, and mobilization is key and core to climate change resolution. We can only get there together. We intend to offer education, tools, resources, technology, solutions, consultative facilitation, and necessary information systems infrastructure, and large-scale transformational coordination capacity, meaning a large-scale capacity to help transform our world from our current non-sustainable point A to a sustainable point B in the near future within the time available and the resources available. We offer a new paradigm of focused, integrated, and sustained collective, collaborative effort and empowerment, and an online, organized, evolving, learning, climate change resolving community. Meaning, if we can't get together, for example, on the Chloe system, if we can't get together, share what we know, learn from each other, contribute, support, heal together, and develop solutions together, and operate as conscious community, how are we going to get to, first, resolving climate change issues, and second, generating a new and sustainable life process for humanity? Next slide. These are the key elements of our organizational strategy: conscious collaboration, transformational education, healing within individuals and collectives and nations and cultures, unification of humanity, mobilization of that unified humanity in an aligned and constructive, effective, and efficient way, increasing the quality of organization of that mobilized, unified population, and transformation of consciousness and transformation of all dimensions of the life process of the folks on this planet, so that we do things differently. We solve our problems differently. We live life differently. We make decisions in different, more sustainable ways. And these are our key synchronized strategies. All of these dimensions feed each other. All of them inform each other. All of them support each other. These are like pillars that support the generation of a sustainable future and solutions to all of our climate change issues in the present and in the long-term future. We are here in orchestrated concert with other climate change organizations to move the needle on climate change. There are many tremendously excellent efforts in our world that are moving from heartfelt intent and absolute focus and determination to solve this very challenging issue in the world. And as of yet, it's not a failure on their parts. It's just the way things are in the present moment. We have, as a species, been unable to move the needle on climate change. So it is our assessment that Bringing all of those organizations together in a focused manner is what is required to move the needle, to shift the paradigm, to address the global issues effectively and efficiently and in the near term with the resources and technologies that are available. Our focus is conscious collaboration and practically weaving together many climate change organizations into a high performance system. We accomplish this through education facilitation and workshops and solutions development. The current team of teams, many of the representatives of which are online today, are learning collaboration and modeling it and experiencing it and generating educational materials as a result so that others can learn from us. We can contribute to them. They can contribute their expertise in all of the different dimensions and areas of climate change knowledge and understanding. The Chloe Social Movement Platform, the WSS website, and youtube.com, which we have our own WSS channel on, are ways that we are delivering information, education. We're engaging with the public and with other organizations. And in the near future, we will have the more comprehensive and robust system, the social movement engine, which is the last item on this list. The social movement engine will perform all of the capabilities and tasks that were listed in regard to the social media platform, the website, and YouTube. It will also generate a venue for consortiums of nations, institutions, organizations, and any group of people, any culture in the world, or any group of people in the world that want to come together and effectively solve climate change, generate solutions, deploy them, implement them, and by doing so, transform the process of our world socially, economically, politically, in regard to systems of governance and culturally. Next slide. So these are our focuses: public education and facilitation, workshops, social support network creation, global communications, technology, generation of a logistics infrastructure, and all of that feeds and is are core parts of what we would call the social movement engine. It will allow a free flow of accurate data, information, and resources that can be applied outside of traditional competitive market forces to offer solutions creation and implementation that is scalable to all venues of the world.